This is Mallory, our marketing manager.
Welcome to Mills James. My name is Malatar.
Well, not really. It's a digital representation of Mallory.
Mein Name ist Malota.
All you have to do after the avatar's created is to type in your script, hit submit, and it creates a video of that script.
Thank you, Malatar. You are very welcome, Mallory.
This one right here, they wanted to hide the buildings. So I added some trees.
When you see something that's so blatantly not done, you're just like, wow, you missed the whole shot.
You can fix it.
Well, I can fix it because I love to do that. That's what I am trying to do here.
It's much more normalized than it was pre-pandemic, where it could be a virtual attendee or a stream or an on-demand element.
I'm going to start. What's running the live key?
It's going through our control room right now, and they have wired it right to me so that I can see close-ups of the guest and then a nice shot of me.
This is the projection mapping that Taylor did for the zoo. So this session has 11 layers of sound effects.
Since we had Santa in Studio A this year, we thought we'd set him up with our version of a winter wonderland, using a virtual background cast on the LED wall, stage set with practical props, and snow created with augmented reality.
Thank you for coming to The Cut tonight.